Welcome to Bike Review Pro. Today we're talking about the 2026 Ultraviolette F77, a new and upgraded electric sport bike that sets fresh benchmarks in performance, range, and technology. Design and build quality. The 2026 F77 comes with a sharper, more aerodynamic design. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures excellent stability even at high speeds. The aggressive body lines, updated LED setup, and improved riding posture give it a premium sports bike feel. Battery and range. Ultraviolette has equipped this model with an 11 kWh high-capacity battery pack, offering around 240 to 260 kilometers of range on a single charge. Fast charging is even better now, taking the battery from 0 to 80% in roughly 55 minutes. Performance and power. The updated motor delivers about 40 HP and 120 Nm of torque, helping the bike accelerate from 0 to 60 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds. With a top speed of 160 plus km/h, the F77 stands among the fastest electric sport bikes in its class. Features and technology. The bike includes a modern TFT smart display, 4G connectivity, GPS tracking, multiple ride modes, and advanced security features. Its enhanced battery management system monitors heat, voltage, and power delivery for better safety and long-term durability. Handling and comfort. The suspension setup is sport-oriented yet comfortable for daily city riding. Dual-channel ABS, strong disc brakes, and hill assist technology offer excellent control and stability at high speeds. Price and final thoughts. The 2026 Ultraviolette F77 is expected to be priced between 3.8 Indian rupees, 4.2 lakh, ex-showroom. If you want a fast, sporty, and tech-rich electric motorcycle, the F77 is definitely a premium choice.